Hey everyone, I'm coming on today to share with you how easy it is to install this lace front wig.
I just need you back. You beside me, yeah. Girl, I need you beside me, yeah. Girl, I need you beside me. You beside me, yeah.
Okay, the wig I have today is from Eullair Hair Company, and this is the packaging that it came in. And here is the wig inside.
I just need you back.
And I did get some lashes with it, which is very nice. Okay, here's the wig. It's Brazilian deep wave. Ooh, it's nice and long. The hair is so soft. And here's the cap construction inside. There's 3 combs and one in the nape area. And this is how the cap is put together. And the hairline looks very nice. And there are some baby hairs. And the lace is very nice too. Alright everyone, here is the unit on. And here's the hairline one more time. So I'm just going to take a pair of scissors and cut the hairline. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to install it. So we got the Got To Be blasting spray, which you can use gel and so if you like. I use the blasting spray and you just spray it on. Wait a few minutes after you spray it on. And then you just bring your wig forward. And then just use a comb and press down. Don't use your hands because it will be sticky. Just use a tail comb and press the wig down. You can use a blow dryer and dry it. I just let it sit and air dry. But you can use a blow dryer to speed it up if you'd like. And now I'm going to use some Fit Me powder to put in my part. So you part your part wherever you want. I'm doing it on the side. You can do it on the center. And just put your foundation powder in there. And now we're going to use some water with conditioner and spray down the unit. You could use plain water too if you like. I just like having the conditioner in my water. Then I'm going to use a wide tooth comb and comb out the hair. And now I'm going to use some Eco Styler gel and just place it throughout the hair, comb it through with my fingers. And now we're going to do the other side. And then I am just going to let the hair sit and air dry while I finish getting ready.
I just need you back.
And here's our finished look. Look at that, you guys. Fast. It's nice, simple, and easy. Just get your wig, put it on, and there you go. And look at the curls. The curls are so nice. This is a deep wave, and it's 24 inches. And the curls are just luscious. Now the unit is 150 density. It's nice and full. It feels like it's more than that because it's nice and full. It's not thin at all. I love how it looks and it feels nice and soft. And it's very easy, you know, no plucking or anything. You don't have to bleach the knots. So if you're like me who just wants to get a wig and go out the door and go, this is the perfect wig for you. Yes, it is. Eullair Hair Company. Their units are very nice. I've had them before. And I order from them again because I like the quality that they have. Their units have very nice quality. And see, it's really nice and simple. I'm gonna leave a link below to Eullair Hair Company so you guys can go over and check them out. And they have different styles over there, different textures of hair. So you can just click on the links below and get a wig for yourself. Yes, it's really nice and simple and easy, and the length is nice. Never mind, it's summer, the long length is just as nice, and it's not bulky, so it's not hot on my head. It looks like it's bulky, but it does not feel bulky. So it's light and easy on my hair, on my head. Alright everyone, thank you so much for coming on and seeing the review that I had to do with my Eullair wig today. Yes, and I will be back with another update for you to show you more styles and stuff that you can do with this unit. Alright everyone, remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one.
All my life I've been waiting for somebody like you. And now